Hello guys, in today's video I will gonna show you how to transfer files like photos or videos from your mobile to laptop or your PC. First of all, you need to connect your PC with your mobile with a charging lead. After connecting, you will be see those interface. Simply select file transfer option. Guys, after connecting your mobile with your PC, go to your this PC. Now guys, you can see my Techno Spark 30 Pro phone. Simply go to your phone. Now guys, you can see those interface. Simply go to this option. Now guys, usually your videos and photos are in DCIM folder. Simply go to DCIM folder. Now guys, go to camera and you will be see all your videos and photos in your mobile. Now guys, simply copy that file you want to transfer. Now guys, minimize and select those folder where you want to paste this file. Like I want to paste in my desktop, simply I paste in my desktop. Now as you can see this file transferring started. Wait few seconds and you can see my file transferred successfully. Now guys, by following my these steps, you will be able to transfer all your videos